Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, 16 days of work has been over at my basement, and you can see the progress. Now dry wall is in progress, and most of the places have got their dry wall, including washroom. This is glass wool, I'm not gonna touch, but see, dry walling has been done here. I think it's too much dark. Yeah, now you can see even here it is done. So now next is gonna be vanity, then shower area and light. Okay, and toilet. That's fine. Now coming to the other areas here, even including the basement, most of the area has got its drywall. Here it's gonna be a door to cover the panel. Here drywalling is done, and the team is gonna come today again. Yesterday they left at night, and right now it's very early in the morning, and they said that they will come today morning also to get the things fixed. All the areas, even including roof, it's done. And as you see here, this is gonna be for the pot lights. Okay, and this is gonna be the fire alarm. Okay, things are done like that. Now here in this kitchen area, next is gonna be, they're gonna make the slab, and we'll have washroom, what do you call, sink here, then fridge there, electric stove here, heavy line for stove is also installed. So things have been done as per the plan, and today again I assume there's gonna be significant progress. Lot of tools they have left behind yesterday, as you can see here, and today they are gonna come again, so they will do the stuff. So yeah, so things are fine, and today after all the dry walling here is done, probably next is gonna be finishing of kitchen and washroom. Now the vanity for um washroom and sink for the kitchen have arrived already, and they are sitting in my garage, so that's gonna be done. Nothing external was done, although it was scheduled. I need to follow up with my contractor because one of the parts here in my furnace needs to be replaced, and as per the last update they had ordered the same, so I don't know why it hasn't arrived yet. I need to follow up because he had said it would be done on uh, Friday, but Friday passed, it did not go through, so we'll see now. I'll ask him. And some pump is really working well. It's raining outside today, and there's almost no accumulation here, although the pump has not been opened fully. You see sticker and all, that's why slight water is there, but apart from that there's no water accumulated over there, and it's coming through this sump pump, and this pump is throwing the water out. So this has been done nicely yesterday, so all looks good. So yeah, we'll give you more progress report as it goes. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe the channel.